Alright, I'm gonna show you guys that they fake nature. This shit can't happen, okay? And then it says black mamba, whatever the hell you want to call it. I've heard it called different terms. Drowning footage. This is done on purpose. Don't get me wrong. You know, this snake is very dangerous. It can kill you in like maybe 30 minutes or some shit like that. And if you're allergic to the venom, you might live a couple minutes. It'll throw you in like a anaphylactic shock. I think it's what it's called. You know, you're fucked. And like throw you in a coma or some shit like that. It's a lapid venomous snake. Very, very dangerous. I've been around one because one of my friends keep one. They're fucking nuts. They're psychos. You know, but that's one of the creator's creation, you know. It's here for a reason, you know. Even though they're fucking nuts. So, let's watch what this fucking idiot does. This fucker has 581,000 views. Or, subscribers. Sorry. Let's see here. I'll even rewind it a little bit. They'll show like it, possibly not the same snake, more than likely. Rain's coming down. And then there it is, and it's burrow or whatever. But it's in glass. How is that? And then, you know, the flood water is pretty clear to be flood water. And it's filling up. The sick fuck is watching the snake die. You know, it's trying to get out. Look at it. It knows its escape route. Piece of shit. And look at it. It's fucking sad, man. People do this kind of shit. And look at it struggling, dying. I can't watch no more. It's bullshit. You know, he's talking shit, you know, saying, oh, blah, 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 but, you know, whatever about it. Motherfucker, you can tell by the animal's reaction. I was trying to escape. I'm glad you scroll down to the comments, and people can see, you know, they call bullshit, because they've been around snakes. How did it just happen to have a camera in there to see this? You know, and other people see the bullshit. Ever heard of planning to get the right shots? Shit, you can't even get around that fucking snake, especially wild caught. Them motherfuckers are nuts. They will put you 6 feet under fucking quicker than you can fucking imagine. Piece of shit. Look at this shit. I'm glad so many people called this shit out, because they know it's fake. They know it's fake. Killed that fucking animal like that in a horrific fucking way, man. Look at this motherfucker. 581,000 fucking subscribers. You know what? Ajartro, you're a fucking piece of shit. Faking fucking nature and shit, man. Fuck off. Fucking faggot.